Hello my lovelies and welcome back to another video. Today I want to create some hairstyles that are super easy on short to medium to long hair, whatever you have. Work with it. It will turn out great. But some hairstyles for date night or Valentine's Day because it is coming up. Are you guys gonna do anything special? Are we gonna do anything special, babe?
I'm not sure yet.
Probably not. We don't really celebrate Valentine's Day. Every day is Valentine's Day.
It's not worth the hassle of going out.
Yeah, I know. We go out the next night because there's not too much people in the restaurant. All right, so I'm going to start off with the first one. It is super simple. Let's get to it. For all these hairstyles, I wanted my hair waved or curled. And if you guys want an updated version of how I curl my hair with a flat iron, let me know down below. But this is what the curls look like. This is my 4th day hair. It still looks pretty good. So for this hairstyle, you will need 3 clear elastics and some bobby pins to put it all together. I'm gonna create 3 equal low ponytails in the back, not really low, but to a point where I can braid the ponytails. I lied, you actually need 6 clear elastics. The other 3, you will need to tie off the braids. I'm just gonna do a very simple 3-strand braid. You can do a fishtail braid, you can do twists, whatever it is, just create 3 of each. Now once I have the 3 really pulled apart messy braids, what I'm gonna do now is start in the middle one and just create little buns out of all 3. And just to make sure the buns are close together, I'm gonna use mini bobby pins to secure it all together. And it just creates this beautiful, very boho, romantic, really easy low updo. And the best part is I like it that I can be really messy with it, and the wavy curly hair really adds a nice statement, and it kind of helps disguise if it's really messy. And then once I put it all together, I kind of go back and see if any spots need a little bit more volume and pulling apart. So that's where I go in and work my little magic, or just ask Andre if it looks good.
Looks good.
So there we have it. This one is super easy. It's ridiculously fast to do. I think anyone can do it. If you don't want to do the braids, you can definitely just leave it as ponytails and take like a teasing comb and tease the ponytail to give it a nice and fluffy, and then just put it all together like 3 little mini donuts, but kind of intertwined together.
But then it's gonna look different.
But kind of the same. You get my point. I love this one. I think you will too. This next hairstyle is going to be a beautiful, super easy rope twist updo. It sounds difficult, but it's not. Let's get started. I'm going to start with a deep part on my left side. This is how I do it, and this is my method. It works very well for me and my hair, so I think it will work well for you as well. I'm gonna grab a section of hair, divide it into 2 equal parts, and I'm gonna start on the top, twisting the hair away twice, and then taking the section closest to my face and twisting it towards my face 2 to 3 times. I'm gonna take the sections closest to my face and bring it over the back section. I'm gonna take a clear elastic and tie off the rope twist once I get to the other side of the ear. All right, so I'm gonna leave my hair like this. What I did to secure the little rope twist, I just rolled it underneath and just secured it with 2 mini bobby pins underneath, like behind the ear, and then just left the rest of this hair laying down. I think this looks really cute, very edgy, very sexy, and very appropriate for Valentine's Day or date night. This next hairstyle is one of Andre's favorites, the pull-through braid. It is super simple, and the reason why, it creates little hearts when you pull it apart. So it's perfect for Valentine's Day. Your date will very much approve. To start off, I'm gonna create 5 ponytails in the back of my head, all in one line. Before I do the pull through method, I'm gonna take a little section of hair and wrap it around the clear elastic, only the top section, just so you won't be able to see it once I do the pull through braid. I'm going to take the top ponytail, split it in half, and then bring the ponytail right underneath it, up above and through the middle, and take a hair clip or something to secure it so we don't worry about it. I'm gonna take the split ponytail and combine it with the third ponytail, take out the clear elastic and just put it into one big ponytail. I'm gonna repeat the process. I'm taking the top ponytail again, split it in half, and then bring the ponytail underneath it through the middle and put it away with a hair clip so we don't touch it. And do the same thing, take the split ponytail and bring it towards the bottom to that next ponytail and put it together. And now comes the best part. My favorite part is pulling apart those little pull through sections to create the beautiful little hearts. Or in my case, the big hearts, because I did bigger sections.
That's because you have a big heart. It's the corny one for today. You're welcome.
To finish this entire look off, I'm gonna take the very end of this little pull through braid and I'm gonna kind of tuck it and roll it underneath. Take 2 or 3 mini bobby pins and just secure underneath everything just to give it a flawless finish. And there we have it for this hairstyle. I think this is one of my favorite hairstyles. I wear it to the gym, I wear it to special events, on occasions. It's just a good hairstyle. It's very versatile. You can really dress it up by pulling everything back, or you can leave some hair out and make it even more romantic. This hairstyle is so pretty, and I can see why Andrea really likes it.
It's the hearts.
It's the hearts. It's the hearts. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know which hairstyle was your favorite and what other hair related videos you guys want to see in the future besides hairstyles. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. I love you all very much. Bye.